Chapter 22. Law of Risk Distribution. Life spreads its bets so it does not collapse all at once. Life understands one thing that humans never fully grasp. Concentration of risk is the greatest threat to survival. That is why, since the earliest existence of Earth, life has repeatedly chosen the same strategy: spreading, dividing, fragmenting, and distributing risk. No species places its entire future on a single pathway. No ecosystem depends on one solution. No population survives through only one plan. If one part fails, another takes over. If one strategy collapses, another still works. This is why life has endured for billions of years. Risk distribution is the oldest insurance on Earth. Birds do not lay one egg, but many eggs. Fish do not produce a single offspring, but hundreds at once. Trees do not create one seed, but thousands. Not because life is wasteful, but because risk must be spread evenly. If one egg is lost, if one seed fails to grow, if one offspring is eaten by predators, other reserves still carry the line of life forward. Life never relies on a single success. Diversity is a form of evolutionary risk distribution. Genetic variation is how life preserves its existence. Because when conditions change, not everything dies. One strategy may fail, but another strategy survives. One phenotype may disappear, but another phenotype becomes the key to future survival. Diversity is not decoration. Diversity is protection. Ecosystems distribute risk across species. No ecological role belongs to only one species. Scavengers are many, pollinators are many, population regulators are many, and decomposers are many as well. If one species disappears, its ecological function is not entirely lost. Systems divide roles, so there is never one single point of failure capable of destroying the whole. Populations spread to reduce local threats. Species that survive always spread into many places and across many climates. They also spread across multiple food sources and conditions. If one habitat is destroyed, another habitat still preserves survival. That is why species that are overly localized are the most fragile species. Cells have multiple pathways to handle damage. Inside the body, if one enzyme fails, another enzyme takes over. If one metabolic pathway collapses, a reserve pathway activates. If one protein breaks down, supporting proteins repair it. If one organ is disrupted, another organ compensates for it. Life creates risk distribution even at the molecular level. Modern humans fail because they ignore risk distribution. Humans unify everything: one type of crop, monoculture, one global food system, one economic system, one dependence on fossil energy, one long supply chain, and one technological center. All of this creates a single condition: extreme fragility. The larger civilization becomes, the smaller its distribution of risk, and the more dangerous its failure becomes. Life teaches the spreading of risk, Yet humans increasingly choose concentrated risk. That is the root cause of the modern crisis. Risk distribution. Risk distribution is the law that prevents the world from collapsing because of one single failure. Life spreads possibilities. Life spreads the future. Any life form that places all its hopes on one path is simply waiting for the right time to collapse. Those who distribute their risks are building a longer future,